Hey everybody, Jim King, King Pier's team out here in Kansas City, Kansas. This was supposed to be a 4-pier job, but we're going to give him 5. And we've got 4 holes here on the front. This wall's down. It's all connected. These holes are 11 foot deep that were dug by these guys yesterday. And we are the very best at digging our King Pier holes. We've got about 15 years experience doing it. And these holes are 11 foot deep. It's taken 2 days to dig them out. So just an excellent job by my crew. Very happy with everything, the way it's going. We're going to give it a raise. Once we get our laser levels set up on the inside, we'll see how much the raise is, and then we'll raise the footing. Encase it in concrete, call it good. King Piers, for all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.